Now the next class of polymers is the resins, in which we have popular resins like formaldehyde phenol resin, which is commonly called as Bacolite. The monomer for the Bacolite is phenol and formaldehyde. So when they both are heated together, we get orthohydroxymethylphenol because it is present at ortho position, and we get para-hydroxymethylphenol, which is because it is at para position. And then they both join together with condense together with elimination of H2O, and we get this kind of structure. As you can see, OH from this side and H from this side is being removed, and it forms a structure like this, which keeps on repeating, and we get a polymer, and this is called as formaldehyde phenol resin, that is the Bacolite. As far as the uses are concerned, it is used in making combs, electrical switches, and many more. Another example for the resin is melamine formaldehyde resin, which is also called as melamine, which is commonly called as melamine. How it is formed now, we have this kind of thing with the formaldehyde. We get a structure like this, which undergo polymerization with release of water molecule, and we get a structure like this. The same way the condensation happened here, the same in this case, and we get melamine. And as far as the use is concerned, actually it's very tough. So what happened, it is mainly used in making the unbreakable crockery. So this is what is the melamine and the Bacolite. We have one more resin which is left, we will do in the next section. So just look at the board carefully.